Hello everyone, welcome to the OpalShop. Here we have a parcel with two large Boulder Opals. The first one here, as you can see, has got a nice streak just by the top. Mind you, the stones get wetted, so the colours pop through and you can see it properly on the video. Here's a side cut of the boulder, the stone. It has been pre-cut and pre-shaped. This is stone number 1. Lovely green streak and blue streak, quite fine. Then stone number 2. It's a bit darker, but as I bring it closer you can see the lovely shades of blue. Again, that has been pre-cut and pre-shaped, but you can still work on it, repurpose it, recut, and use the opal parts to bring in a piece of jewellery or anything you can think of. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely one.